In a world reshaped by data, distraction, and digital acceleration, survival is no longer the goal. Mastery is. This course was designed with a single, evolving question. What does it mean to prepare students not just for the tools of today but for the challenges of tomorrow? Beyond Survival is not a computer literacy course. It's a hands-on, interdisciplinary learning experience where students explore the digital ecosystem through real-world tasks, critical reflection, and ethical discernment. Its curriculum is modular, flexible, and deeply experiential. Students don't just learn tools. They apply them in context. Each module builds toward fluency, responsibility, and independent thinking. Pedagogical features such as the Tool of the Week, flipped learning, and student-curated knowledge spaces create a culture of co-authorship and discovery. With a strong emphasis on accessibility, sustainability, and the ethics of digital engagement, the course is built for equity. All tools are free. All learners are included. For institutions, Beyond Survival offers a ready-to-integrate, scalable model. It strengthens digital capacity while aligning with institutional goals around critical thinking, equity, and innovation. In an age of automation, it's not just about what students can do with tools, but how they think with them.